Today, we'll explore the best air purifiers for Pollen, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your home allergen-free. Whether you suffer from allergies or just want cleaner air, these top-rated air purifiers can make a significant difference. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. First on my list is the LEVOIT Air Purifier, priced at $99. This purifier is ideal for larger rooms, covering up to 1,000 square feet with its powerful 45-watt motor. It uses a 3-in-1 filter, including a high-efficiency particulate air filter, to capture up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, such as pollen, dust, and pet dander. The Core 300 features vortex air technology and a 360-degree air intake, ensuring quick and effective air cleaning. It operates quietly, perfect for use in bedrooms, and includes a sleep mode that reduces noise to just 24 decibels. Users love its sleek design, which blends easily with home decor. One review praised its ability to significantly improve air quality and reduce allergens. Another user appreciated its ease of use and maintenance, noting the helpful filter replacement indicator. However, some users found that it did not significantly reduce dust levels in their homes. Overall, the LEVOIT Air Purifier is a top choice for those seeking efficient and quiet air purification. Additionally, the Energy Star certification ensures it operates efficiently, saving on energy bills. Its certified safety features, including compliance with California Air Resources Board standards, provide peace of mind for users. Many customers also highlight its durable build and long-lasting performance. Next, we have the VEWIOR Air Purifier, priced at $49. This affordable option covers up to 600 square feet and uses a high-efficiency particulate air filter, pre-filter, and activated carbon filter to remove pollutants like smoke, pollen, and pet dander. One standout feature is its air quality detection, which provides real-time updates on the surrounding air. It also has an aromatherapy diffuser, allowing you to add essential oils for a pleasant scent. The purifier has 4 modes, including a sleep mode that turns off the display for an undisturbed night's rest. Users appreciate its quiet operation, especially in sleep mode, and the ease of replacing filters. One review highlighted the significant reduction in dust and the cleaner air in their home. However, some found the replacement filters to be expensive. Despite this, the VEWIOR Purifier is praised for its combination of features and affordability, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. Its compact size makes it easy to place in any room without taking up too much space. The user-friendly control panel simplifies operation, making it accessible for all age groups. The built-in timer feature adds convenience, allowing you to set it to run for specific periods. Third, we have the AC400 Air Purifier. Is an excellent compact solution priced at just $39. This purifier covers up to 880 square feet and features a 360-degree air intake system for efficient airflow. It uses a multi-layer filtration system, including a ProFilter high-efficiency particulate air filter and activated carbon filter to capture 99.97% of particles down to 0.3% microns. Despite its small size, it effectively removes dust, pollen, smoke, and pet dander. Users love its whisper quiet operation, as low as 20 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms and nurseries. One user noted its ability to reduce cooking odors quickly and efficiently. Another praised its compact size and lightweight design, which fits easily into various spaces. However, some users reported a high-pitched noise at lower fan speeds. Overall, the AC400 is a practical and affordable option for those needing an effective air purifier in smaller spaces. The easy-to-find replacement filters on Amazon add to its convenience. Its straightforward design and controls make it a hassle-free option for those who prefer simplicity. Many users also appreciate its effectiveness in creating a more comfortable living environment, especially in areas with high pollution. Fourth on my list is the MOOKA Air Purifier, priced at $89. This powerful purifier covers up to 1,200 square feet, making it perfect for large rooms. It features a high-efficiency particulate air filter that captures larger particles and quickly refreshes the air. The purifier includes multiple fan speeds, a sleep mode, child lock, timer, and a filter replacement indicator. Users appreciate its modern design that fits well in any room, from bedrooms to living rooms. One review highlighted its effectiveness in reducing pet odors and improving overall air quality. Another user noted its quiet operation even at higher fan speeds. Some users found the aromatherapy feature to be less effective than expected. Despite this, the MOOKA Air Purifier is praised for its versatility and performance, making it an excellent choice for larger spaces. The child lock feature ensures safety in homes with kids and pets. Its energy-efficient operation is another plus, helping to keep electricity costs down. The comprehensive warranty and customer support enhance the overall value of this air purifier. Lastly, also from MOOKA is the portable air purifier and is perfect for travel in smaller spaces, priced at $39. It covers up to 300 square feet and uses a high-efficiency particulate air filter to remove allergens and pollutants. The purifier is portable and comes with a USB-C charging cable, allowing you to use it in your car, office, or home. It operates quietly with a noise level as low as 15 decibels in sleep mode and has a nightlight option and timer settings. Users love its compact design and the convenience of using it in various locations. One review praised its ability to remove smoke and pet odors effectively. Another user appreciated the essential oil feature, which adds a pleasant fragrance to the air. However, some users noted that the manual's instructions could be clearer. Overall, the MOOKA Portable Air Purifier is an excellent option for those needing a versatile and travel-friendly air purifier. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move from room to room. The child lock feature ensures it can be used safely in households with young children. Its affordable price point, combined with effective performance, makes it a popular choice for many users. Now, in summary, these 5 air purifiers offer a range of features and price points to suit different needs. Whether you need a powerful purifier for a larger room or a compact unit for travel, there's an option here to help you breathe easier and reduce pollen in your home. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.